Can you see this question on the screen?
Yes.
Okay, so basically what we are going to do, first of all, 2 or 3 questions I will do, and I will do each and every calculation so that you will understand how to approach the calculation part, right?
Yes.
Okay, see what is going to happen now. Okay, so let me start this like this. Okay, so see what is going to happen. So let me see over this. Okay, let me, okay. So basically, let me take this pen and then okay. Let me we can do over here also. Okay, so let, now see what is exactly happening. The diagram shows path of an athlete on a running track. So this is kind of track, right?
Yeah.
Now the path consists of two straight lengths and semicircle at each end. The each straight length is 85 meter. Each semicircle has a radius of 36.6 meter. Calculate the area enclosed by the path. Give your answer correct to the three significant figures. Okay, now firstly we understand. So basically, what we can do for such kind of question, what we can do. So okay, let me take this pen like this. Okay, so we will mark this point as A, and we will mark this point as B, because it will help us to identify the calculation part. We will mark as like C, and we will mark it as F, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let me do this part is okay. Okay, let me correct this one. Okay, let me see this one. This is question number 15. Okay. Okay, so for this question, actually this is so much easy, because there is no such meaning, like something like, there is no need to like do like this. So we can do directly as well. So that was the actually another question that we will do later. Now see, now they say that calculate the area enclosed by the path. So basically what we can write, we can say area, basically this is like rectangle and plus circle. I am just writing in the short. Are you getting this?
Yes.
So the rectangle is, now see this. Now try to understand this. Can you tell what is this? Basically now see, this is R, this is radius. Are you getting this?
Yes.
This is radius, and then definitely this will be like radius, and this is also radius. So basically the whole thing, when we take this as combined, so what will happen, so basically it is just like, now try to understand this. It is uh, like this. So the radius is like this and the radius is like this. So okay, so there is a parallelly, what this is actually the diameter, but also the length of the rectangle which is inside. Are you getting this point?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now see what is exactly happening. If we have to find the area of the rectangle, that is easy. Okay, because length and breadth. Length is actually okay, we take it as 85. And what about the breadth part? So basically radius and then radius. So basically what we can do, so basically if we know the diameter, okay, so there is very simple reason for this. What we can do, we can simply take 36.6, and either we can multiply with 2, or either we can simply add them, right? 6 6
Yes.
2, and then 6 12, and then 13. See, this is actually 73. So this is like 73.2. Are you getting this point?
Yes.
Great. Now see what is, now the breadth is like 73.2. So this is area. Now what about, because see, there are two semicircle, this semicircle and then this semicircle. So
It's only one question. Like we have already done what is perimeter. So now we are doing area.
okay, okay, let me see this question. Okay, now see, each straight length is okay. The path consists of two straight lengths, okay, lengths, two straight length, okay, and a semicircle at each end. Each straight length is 85 meters. So this length is given 85, right?
Yeah.
So that is the length of the rectangle. Each semicircle has a radius of 36.6 meter. Okay, this is the radius of this semicircle, right?
Yes.
Now see what they are trying to say. They are saying like, let me see this. Calculate the area enclosed by the path. So if we can you do the multiplication and tell what is the answer? 85 multiplied 73.2.
What? I don't know how to multiply decimals. But I know how to do 85 multiplied by 73.
Okay, so you can do that, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay,
And
okay,
let me try to do it in my head. But with the decimals.
okay, okay.
Is it 6,222?
Very good. This is 6,222. That is the okay. So that is the right answer. Okay, that is the right answer. Okay. This is our question number 50. Now see, uh, okay. So basically, what is exactly happening in the earlier class? What we have done, we have done. Can you tell what is the formula for the area of the circle?
What is the area for the circle? Circumference.
So area of the circle formula is pi r square, right?
Yeah.
So basically, if we are so basically, what is exactly happening in this question? So basically, there is a like semicircle at this end, and there is a another semicircle at this end. So basically, when they are combining, so they are forming some kind of circle. Are you getting this point?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, now we were supposed to do like this, and okay. So after that, what we are going to do, pi. So we know the value of pi. We have already done yesterday like 3.14. What was the value of the pi?
27 divided by 27 by 7.
Okay, but when we are talking in the decimal, it is like okay. So it is like 3.14159, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we should know. Okay, so basically 3.14159. Okay, so after that, what is exactly happening? So radius, okay, radius is already 36.6 and raised to the power scale, right?
Yes.
Okay, now the real challenge. So basically, what you have to do, I am writing it directly. What whenever you got uh, time at home. So what you have to do, you have to do it manually and check whether you are getting the same answer, right?
or not?
Yes. So in this way, so like after solving this, you will get a 4208 point 35, and
It can wait. So do we really get 4,000? Let me just try to do it in my head again.
okay. So what are you saying?
So can I just try 3.14159 multiplied by 36.6 in my head again?
Okay, so okay, if you can do this, that's a crazy, because it seems to be like bigger number, right? So
Yes,
it's
but I
crazy.
can quit.
Okay, it's crazy if you can do this. Okay, so see, 6,200 like 222 and then plus like this. Okay, so
So I have to do 622, 222 plus 1,208.35.
okay, so we have to simply add. So with
Okay, so I'm going to add them in my head. Let me do it. I'm doing it all in my head.
okay, great.
Is it 10,430.35? I
It's
think it is.
10,400. Okay,
Yes, I
it
was also coming with that answer.
okay. It is like
Even
10430.35, right?
yes, I did that same thing.
Yes. Okay. Now,
So,
okay. So I hope you got this right.
yes,
So now we are coming to the crazy part, and the crazy part is in the question. Now see what we are going to do. So the answer we got is like let me write this over here. So the answer we got is like 104 104 and then 30.35. So basically now, no, okay, now they are asking like we have to find out the answer for three significant figures, right?
yes,
So okay, now see what is exactly happening. If they're asking for the three decimal places, okay, three decimal places, if they are asking for the three decimal places, that is the another thing, because two decimal places are already there and we can simply put zero over here. So that will be the three decimal places, right?
yes,
What in this question now, what is exactly happening now? First of all, we have to understand the difference between like significant figures and decimal places. So basically what we need to do, so if they are asking like three decimal places, so see, we have to count first three digit number, right?
yes,
So first three digit number, now after that what is exactly happening, so after that we have to see this number. So there may be the two cases, either it is 1 2 3 4, or either it is 5 6 7 8 9, right?
yes,
So if it is like something 5 6 7 8 9, so we are simply going to add plus 1, but which is not the case here in this case. Are you getting this point? So
yes,
so what we are going to do, then we will actually say a round of like 104. So we are not going to add plus 1 over here, and in these two places we simply round off like 00. So this will be our answer. Are you getting this point?
yes.
Okay, there is one more example. And the example is like 248.84 triple five. This seems to be the answer of one of the question. What they are asking, they are asking that you have to two significant figure, right? two
Yes.
two significant figure. So basically we have to count first two digit, so which is 24, and then no, see what is exactly happening. So what is exactly happening over here? So 8, 8, there is number 8, and which is actually the bigger, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the second case. So we are going to add plus 1 over here. So somehow we will get 25, right?
Yes.
So okay, so something like that. These are the kind of operation which we will use over here. So in this, as they have in this, for this particular question, they have asked for three significant figure. So we will take first three digit. So the
Wait,
answer.
are we on the 15th question already?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we will do all the questions. Don't worry. So
How many questions are there?
only 16 question.
We can complete this in today's
Okay, we will share.
interview.
Okay, so it is 104 and then 00. So let me see this answer. And as it is area, so we will write meters here, right? So
Yes.
can we proceed to the next question?
Yes. Let's proceed to the last question.
Okay. See what is exactly happening. Now this was the question we were talking earlier. So basically okay. So the naming is already given. So they have given that the shaded shape is made by cutting a semicircle from a rectangular piece of card ABCF as shown in the diagram. FEDC is a straight line. The center of the semicircle lies on the ED. AF is equal to BC is equal to 10. AB is equal to 20 centimeter. FE is equal to DC is equal to 4 centimeter. Work out the parameter of the shaded shape. Give your answer up to the three significant figure. Now I will write something and you have to tell whether it is right or wrong, and like that. So now if I am writing, now tell if I am writing over here, and suppose that if I am writing, okay, so if I am writing AB is equal to 20 centimeter, now tell me, is that okay?
What?
If I am
You
writing
see?
AB is equal to 20 centimeter, is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. If I am writing AF and then I am writing AF, if I am writing 10 centimeter, is that okay?
F equals to 10 centimeter. Yes.
If I am writing BC, I am writing BC and then I am writing 10 centimeter, is that okay?
We see 10 centimeter. Yes.
Okay. If I am writing FE and then FE like that 4 centimeter, is that okay?
If F equals to 4 centimeter. Yes.
If I am writing DC is equal to 4 centimeter, is that okay?
Yeah.
If I am writing ED, so can you calculate the ED? So can you tell what will be the value of ED? So basically, what will be the value? Can you calculate the value of ED from this given diagram? It will be very crazy thing if you just able to find out the value of the ED.
So what is how many centimeters is from E to D?
So okay, so basically see, just from the diagram you have to make some logical thinking and like that. So It is not
Is it
given
12
direct.
centimeter? I think it's 12 centimeter.
It is 10 centimeter.
12. 1 to 12.
Okay, okay. I hope you got the idea, right?
Yes.
Okay, smart boy, smart boy. Okay, crazy. So can you tell how you find this out?
Okay, so I did it. Actually, it's a reason. So A to B, that one line is 20 centimeter. That means F to C will also be 20 centimeter. Now E plus D equals to 4 centimeter. Uh, E plus D. So E is 4 centimeter and D is also 4 centimeter. 4 and 4 is 8 centimeter. So 20 centimeter minus 8 centimeter, I come with 12 centimeter.
Crazy, crazy. So okay, that's a very interesting thing. You are able to do this. Okay, now see, from this data we have just find out this as a 12 centimeter. So if I am assuming this as the diameter, of course from the diagram it is clear that so can we find out the radius?
Radius. Yes.
So it
So
will.
it's 12 divided by 2 will be the radius. 6.
Very good. Crazy, crazy. Now see, from this we can say this is 6, this is 6. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now see what is exactly happening. Now see the interesting pattern and the portion. So they are looking for like perimeter of the shaded region. So let me see this. Okay, so I hope you got this point till this point, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now see what is exactly happening. Okay, because most of the things you have already done. Okay, so whole parameter is like okay. Now what we have to do, like this is question number 16. Let me do it in a more crazy way so that it will be very easy to understand. Okay, now see. Uh, so as we know, okay, now see what is exactly happening. So we know for the circle what is exactly happening. We know the circumference and the formula is like 2 pi r. Is that okay?
What?
Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now what the condition is, uh, semicircle is given. So if 2 pi r is here, so if I am dividing with 2, so 2 cancel with 2, so I am remaining with pi r. So is that okay, circumference for the semicircle?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now see, what is exactly happening. 3.14, which is the value, 3.14, and then something like that, whatever, 159, something like that, and radius is given. Is that okay?
Yes.
Now see what will happen. uh, what is going to happen, so if we are multiplying both of them, so basically we will get like 18 point, so it will be like 18.849, 849, and after that triple five nine, triple five nine. So it is like centimeter, because circumference is always in the centimeter. Like okay, now see, now what we are going to do. See, they are saying work out the perimeter of the shaded region. So basically,
Yes.
so now see what is exactly happening. Now see what is exactly happening. This is the parameter. So this is this portion. Are you getting this
What?
point? This
Yes.
perimeter is this, like this is like this whole, like something like this. Are you getting this point?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so basically we know that okay. So data is given. So if I am asking, we have to find the shaded regions. So can you tell what we have to do is something kind of logical thinking. So basically, see what is exactly happening. So see, I am give simply. So basically, I will take AB because all the side. After that, we are taking like BC, and after that BC like this side, and after that we are adding DC like this side, and after this side DC, the other side is called, okay, DC like this is semicircle which we have already calculated. And after, okay, now after the semicircle, after that we are going to add FE, and after that we are going to add AF. So see, this is how parameter will be calculated. So basically AB is equal to 20, BC is equal to 10, and DC is equal to 4. Semicircle already we have calculated. FE is equal to 4, AF is equal to 10. So if we are adding them all, so we will get 66.849, and then triple five nine, and then something like that. Now see, do you got the do you got up to this till this point?
Yeah.
Now see, in the question they are asking three significant figure. Okay, now see what will happen. Three significant figure, because of course we will like take 66.8, and then after that, because three digits are complete. Now after that there is 4, so there is no need to add 1 into this 8, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now that is the actual calculation. So the answer is like 66.8. This is the way in which we can do calculations. So what you have to do, you have to once go through each and every calculation part, so that if I am giving you a similar question in the assignment, so you must be able to do that and reach to the exact calculation part, like whatever is the answer will be, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so can we go to the next question?
Yeah. What? You told there are 16 questions.
Okay, basically I started from like end of the like slide. So 16 is already done. Okay, 15 is already done. Now this is, okay, this is actually, I think you can do this. It's a very easy question, and if you, okay, so okay, just we like it is like question number 40. You just tell me what we have to do, and then we will, okay. So basically see what is given. So basically what we have to do, area of the shaded region. So basically if there is like rectangle is given, so if I am subtracting the area of the circle, I will remain only with the shaded region, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the length is given, okay, length is given, breadth is given. It is like 13.8 multiply 7.6, and the circle we already know this is pi r square. Okay, so if we are multiplying both of them, we will get 104.88, and then pi, the value of pi we already told you, 3.14159, and the value of r is equal to something like 2.5 raised to the power square, right? So if we are doing this calculation, so it will be come around 19.6349. So basically what you have to do, like firstly how we have to do this, we know that 25 into 25, it is like 625, right?
Yes.
Okay, something like that calculation will be 104.88 minus 1, and we are subtracting them. The answer is like 85.2451, and we are saying up to the 3 significant figure, so we take only 3 significant figure. And okay, the next digit is like 4, so there is no need to add 1 into this, and this is the like exact answer. So I hope you got this question also. You got this question?
Yeah.
Okay, so can we proceed to the next question?
Yes.
Okay, great, great. Okay, now see this question. Okay, this is the B part. Actually, there is also A part as well. Okay, so the A part is being very. Okay, let me. Okay, now what they are saying like, let me open this geometry and then maybe circle. Okay, so
Sir, how did you bring a circle?
okay, so it is like shape is given over here. So we just simply draw this. So basically, now see what is exactly circle is given, right? Now see.
Yeah.
Okay, let me, because there are so many functions. Okay, now what we are going to do. Okay, now the circle is given, and this circle is radius is given, and that is given like 30 centimeter. So if 30 centimeter radius is given, so if they are asking for the circumference, can you just find out the circumference of this circle if the radius is given? So can you tell what how we will do it? So basically circumference formula, that is equal to 2 pi r, right?
Yeah.
So r is 30, so in place of pi, okay, so I'm directly writing pi over here. So when you will do the calculation, you can do this. So r is like 30, so basically the answer will be like 188.495. Now see what is exactly happening. They are asking for the three significant figure only. So yes, three significant figure, and this 4 is here, so there is no need to add plus 1 into this. So the answer is 188. Do you got this point?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now see what is exactly happening in this part. In this part, the crazy thing is like that. So first of all, we are given with the square. So as we can see the square, right?
Yeah.
So the square, actually the diagram shows a circle with a radius of 2.5 inside a square. Okay, so see what is exactly happening. So if this is 2.1, like radius is like this, so from this side also there will be 2.1, right?
Yes.
So in this way we can just find out the like side of this like square. So it is like 4.2, right?
Yes.
So and the area of the square is like 4.2 multiply 4.2, right?
Yes.
So after solving this, the answer will be like 17.64, and this is actually area of our square. Okay, so I hope you got this right.
Yes.
Now we will talk about the circle. For the circle, we already know the formula. It is like pi r square. Okay, pi is okay. Write it as it is. We know the value of r like 2.1 raised to the power 6. So I am directly writing answer because I hope you will do the calculation part, right? 13.854, right?
Yes.
Now what is exactly happening? Now if we have to find out the shaded region, so it is like very easy because square minus circle. So basically square is like this, 17.64, and subtracting circle like 13.854. So when we will just subtract them, it will be like 3.7855, right?
Directly they can go.
Okay, so 3.7855. Can you just tell what will be the three significant figure?
Okay. So now what do I do?
Okay, so basically the answer is this. We have to tell, but we have to just round it to the three significant figures.
So I have to round it off.
Yes, three
Let
significant.
me round it off to the nearest 10.
No, 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 no. Okay, basically you can think like that, but this is like three significant figure are like this, right?
Yes.
So okay, they are written exactly as it. Now see the this digit. This is 5. So in this case, we have to add plus 1 into the number which is next to it, right? Are you getting this
Yes.
point? So the
Yes.
significant figure answer is like 3.79. I hope you got this pattern.
Yes.
So can we proceed to the next question?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, now we are coming to the very good question. It's a great question actually. So see what is exactly happening. So this is like question number 12, and then see what is exactly happening in this. Okay, let me see this question number. Okay, 9 and then 12. Okay, now see, first of all they wanted the area of the shaded region. Okay, so shaded region, basically what we have to do. So see this shaded area, the answer is like a circle minus square, right?
Yes.
I am just writing directly. For the circle, what we will do? Now see this. For the circle, we will do like this pi r square. Okay. Now the thing is, okay, the square has a side of length. Okay. Okay, the side length is given. After that, side length is given. The diameter of the circular piece of cord. Okay, card. The diameter of the circular piece of the card. Okay, so okay, this is actually diameter like this. Are you getting this point?
Yes.
So this will be something like this. So if we know this diameter, like they have also like draw these lines. So diameter they have already given 10. So radius is equal to 10 divided by 2. So it is like 5, right?
Yes.
So pi, and then in place of r we are writing r square, and then square. Okay, square is already know 3.2 square, so that is easy because 3.2 square and then 3.2 square. Okay, so after doing circle calculation, this will like 78.5398 dot something else. Okay, so basically this means, what is the meaning of this dot? Means there are so many digits which is coming, but we are just simply taking first of them, few, right? Do you understand this? When we will do the calculation, there will be so many digits, right? But we are
Yes.
but we are taking because if we are taking all of them, so the calculation will be like very lengthy. So we have to like make in the we take just few of the digits, that is okay, right?
Yes.
No,
Let me just say it again. So the shaded area is that circle minus square. So what is that then? 1 equals to 10. Wow.
okay, okay,
Okay.
so we have to find out the shaded region.
Okay. So now
Okay,
shaded area minus square. So what you did equals to pi I2 and pi I2 pi multiplied by 5 to the power 2. So pi I2 minus 3.2 to the power 2 and pi multiplied by 5 to the power 2 minus 3.22 2 to the power 2 now equals to 7 78.5398.
Very
The
good.
square, the square. Okay, so now
Great, great, great.
what is that written?
Okay, this is like 10.24. Okay, so when we will subtract them, so the answer is like 68.2998. Now what they are asking? They are asking for three significant figure. So this is the data, this is the answer. Now we have to convert this into the three significant figures. So can you convert them up to the three significant figures?
Now how do I do it?
Okay, so take your time. Uh, should I tell you or will you give a try?
Um, okay, well, can you tell me because I'm unclear about the whole question, but I'm only not clear about this part. I have
This
doubted this part.
significant figure.
Yes.
Okay, so see basically like if they are talking about three decimal places, like if this is 25.625, if they are talking about three decimal places, so I will take the three decimal places, right? Are you getting this point?
Yes.
That is the different story. But this significant figure, this is a different story. Now see what is exactly happening. 68.299a. Now see what is exactly happening. So we will take up to three digits, right? Because it is already given in the question, right?
Okay.
We will we will take the three digits, right? This now we will see the next digit. So it is like 5 6 7 8 9. So if any one of them, because already 9 is here, so we are going to add plus 1 to the next digit. So basically the answer is like 868.3, and this is like the right answer, right?
Okay. Okay. So now it's like what's like okay.
So I hope you got this one right.
Yes.
Okay, so basically we will do a lot of questions regarding this, so well you will get an idea. So can we go to the next question?
Yeah.
Okay, please. Okay, we are coming to the question number 11. It is like very very easy. Even if I asked you to do this, you can do it easily. Okay, so the question number 11 is, in this question what they are asking, work out the area of this shape. This question is very very important, like it's like very very okay. Now see what is exactly happening. This is question number 11. So now see this top length, so we can see top length is like 16 centimeter, bottom length is like 9 centimeter, left height is already given 10 centimeter, and like small vertical height is 4 centimeter. Okay, so basically there is a method what we can do, split into the, okay, so if we draw like this, so what we can do, okay, so if we, okay, if I'm draw like line like this, so basically what will happen, so somehow here we'll get a rectangle, right?
Yes.
Rectangle, and the another is like a triangle, right?
Yes.
Now see, this is like 4, and already we know this is 10, so of course I think you can know this, so this will be 6, right?
Yes.
Okay, now what is exactly happening, so if we are talking about the rectangle part, so if we are talking about the rectangle part, so what will happen, this is like 10 multiply 9, and this is equal to 90, right?
Yes.
Now the rectangle part is clear. That is okay. That is what we have calculated. Now see what we are going to do. Now see crazy part. Now we know this. Okay. Now this is very crazy part. Okay. Even okay. Let me take this one as well. Okay. Now see. This side of the triangle is known, but this triangle side is not known. What somehow we know, but somehow we know this. See this whole side is like 16. So
I'm
if
so
I
sorry.
so, yeah,
So
16.
okay, so what we're doing, we take the area of the square and then we take the area of the triangle and then we just add both and the answer comes.
Yes, you are right. Okay, we will just find out the areas and then both of them. Now see, these sides can, how can it be calculated, because 16 this is whole side and we are subtracting 9, so this is like 7, right?
Yes.
Now this side is 7, this side is 6. Now the two sides are already given. Now see what is going to happen. So okay, now see in the question, the triangle something, it just came into this shape, like this is 6 and this is something like okay. So we know the area of triangle is like half into base into height, right?
Yes.
So triangle area is equal to half is given, base is like 6 and then height is like 7. So we will come across 2 3s are 6 and this is like 3 multiply 7, this is equal to 21. So total area, as you were saying, right, that we have to add both of them. So this is like 111 uh, centimeters square, because we are talking about the area. So I hope you got this one right.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you got this idea. Now this diagram can, they can recreate this question in many ways, right? So there are many different possibility, but the concept will be similar, right?
Yes.
Okay, great, please. Okay, can we go to the next question?
Yes.
Okay, okay, we are coming to the like question number 10. Okay, now from the diagram, because okay, now see ABCD is made of like rectangle, a and B, okay, is a straight line, A and E is given. Okay, so first of all what we have to do in such question, we have to be very clear that what we have given with. So we are given with A and is equal to 9. So okay, that is already given. NB is equal to 5. NB is equal to 5. Okay, that is already given in the question. Okay, now see area of the rectangle ANCD, like this ANCD. Okay, the area between is like already given 36 centimeters square, right? Okay, so the area is given, right?
Okay.
Now see what is exactly happening, because see length is given but the breadth is not given. So what we will do, we know that area of the rectangle is like length into breadth. Area is like 36 but the length is given, we can find out the breadth, right? So 9 is
Yes.
9 is getting multiplied, it will get divided. 36 divided by 9, breadth is like this, and 9 fours are like 36. So somehow we just find out the what is the breadth, and which is like length is already given. So breadth is like 4 centimeter. So do you got this point?
Yes.
Okay, now see the base is already given. If this is 4 centimeter, if I am saying this is also 4 centimeter, is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, okay, great. Now for the triangle, again we use the simple formula. We will use half and then base into height. Base is already given, that is 5, and then height we have calculated from this. 2 2s are 4, and this is like 10. So this is like 10. Okay, now what is exactly happening? Okay, now for the rectangle part, if we see length is 9, and breadth already we have calculated. So somehow area is like 30 centimeters square. Okay, and for the triangle we have already calculated 10. So if we have to find out the area, like they are asking for the total area, so the total area is like 36 plus 10, and which is 46. I hope you got this one right.
Yeah.
Okay, so can we proceed to the next question?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, question number, it was like 10. Coming to the next part, which is question number 9. Okay, but there are still two portion for this. Now what is exactly happening, just see this. So the question is circumference of the circle. Okay, we have to calculate the circumference of the circle. So okay, this is question number 9. Okay, so see what is exactly happening. Now see what is exactly happening. So can you tell what is the circumference of the circle? This is like 2 pi r, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now see what is exactly happening. 2 and then pi, r is like 40, so it will be like 80 pi, right? So
Yeah.
after solving this, we will get like 251.327, and then like dot dot dot. But they are asking three significant figure. Okay, so three significant figure like 1 2 3, and the next digit is like less than 5, so there is no need to add 1 to the next digit. So the final answer is 251 only. Are you getting this point?
Yes.
Okay, now this was the part A. Now we are coming to the part B. Now in the part B, what we are telling, okay, in the part B we are looking like this. Now see rectangle. Okay, if we are looking for the rectangle, because say diagram shows diagram shows diagram shows a circle inside a rectangle. Okay, diagram shows a circle inside a rectangle. The rectangle has length and width. The radius of circle is like 3 centimeter. Okay, for the rectangle if we know, so okay, this is part B. Okay, in the part B, what was exactly happening? Okay, so the length is like 8 and the breadth is 8, so this is like 80 centimeters here, right? So I hope you got this point. Okay,
Yeah.
now for the circle, if we are finding the area, so it is like pi r square, and pi and then r square like 3 square. If we are just calculating this is like 9 pi centimeter square. So this is like circle rectangular area, this is circle area. Now what we have to do, okay, if we are converting this into the decimal, it is like 28.274, and then triple 38, and then dot dot centimeters square, right?
Yes.
Now we have to find out the shaded area. So find out the shaded area, like what we have to do, this is rectangle like 80 minus like 28 point something like that, 274338, and the after subtracting, the answer will be 51.725 and then dot dot dot. Now see what is exactly happening. They are asking for the three significant figures. So can you tell what will be the answer for the three significant figures? So it will be
Three
like, yes.
figures. So by what? If I just take the first three numbers,
Okay, so this is like 57.7.
so will it be 52 point? Will it be 52 point? What will it be? 52.8?
Okay, now see, the next digit is 2, so there is no need to add plus 1, right?
Yes.
So the answer is 57, 51.7 only. Do you got this point?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now see, we are coming to the question. There is question number 8. Okay, the question number 8. Okay, we are coming to this question number 8. Okay, this is coming to the question number 8, and your 8 is. Okay, for the first part, what they have given, radius is given, and we have to find out the area. So area is equal to pi r square. R value is already given, like 2 square, and the answer will be 4 pi. And after calculation, our answer will be like 12.5666. Sorry, it's not triple six, it is 5663, 5663 706 dot dot dot. Okay, so okay, now see what is exactly happening. Now we have to find out the three significant figures. So it is like okay, now see, this is very interesting point. We have to see till 3 point, like 12.5, but see the next digit is like greater than 5, right?
Yes.
So simply we have to add plus 1 into this, and the answer is like 12.6, and this is the answer for the part A, right?
Yes.
Now we are coming to the like second part. We are coming to the part B. Now see, there is like inner circle, there is outer circle, and then shaded. So it is something like pond, and then radius is like given. There is a path of the bit. Are you visualizing it? It is like a pond of radius 2 centimeter, and there is a path of like width 1 meter, right?
Okay.
So I hope you can you are understanding what is the question given, right?
Yes.
So basically, what we have to find out. No, see what is exactly happening. So first of all, so if I'm talking about the pond is nothing but the inner circle, right? So this is radius.
Yes.
This is equal to 2 meter, right?
Yes.
Okay, what if we are talking? Okay, so the path. Okay, the path whatever given, width is already given as like 1 meter. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this is the radius. This is radius for the like for outer circle. Are you getting this?
Yes.
For the outer radius, we can also take it as capital R and this small r for inner. So this is like 3 meter. Now see, basically we have to find out the area, calculate the area of the path. Area of the path means we have to subtract the area of the inner circle, right?
Yeah.
Now see what is exactly happening. We will say outer circle minus inner circle. So the outer circle is like pi, and then r is like r square. We are using the formula, right?
Yes.
Inner circle pi, and then r is like 2 square. So we are just assuming it will be like okay 9 pi, and then like 4 pi. The answer will be like 5 pi, and if we are just calculating, so the answer will be like it will come in the decimal like 15.7 707 and then 9632 dot. What we are asking for the three significant figures. So the answer is like 15.7. So the next digit is like 0. So there is no need to add any extra one. So the answer is like 15.7 meters square. So do you got this up to this point?
Yes.
Okay, now the story is not completed yet. We are coming to the C part. Now they are saying outer circumference of the path. So basically, if they are asking for the outer, means they are discussing about radius as 3 meter, right?
Yes.
So circumference is equal to like 2 pi r. 2 is like this, pi is like this, 3 r is like this. So this is like 6 pi. So after putting the value, our answer is 18.849555 and then 9. Now see what is exactly happening. They are looking for three significant figure. So we will look them. 18 point right exactly written as. Now see the next digit is like 5. Sorry 4. So there is no need to add 1 into this. So this is the only answer. So I hope you got this one right.
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, so we are getting we are getting to the question number 7. So the question is like diagram is shown. Okay, this is 2 meter wall, 3 meter wall, and some kind of base is given. So this is question number 7. This is question number 7. See what is exactly happening. So can you tell what is the shape of this diagram?
The shape of this diagram. Um.
Do you got this?
Yes.
Yes. So basically, whenever we will get this kind of trapezium shape, for the area formula will be like 1 by 2 into a plus b into height. So basically, we have to remember this formula, right?
Yeah.
Now see what is exactly happening. This is okay. So can you tell what is the A? A is something like whatever the parallel side, right? So this
Yes.
is like 2 plus 3 and obviously that other side will be like something like this. 2, 3 is a 6. So like 5, 3. So it is like 50. Okay, so 15 square. So I hope you got this one, right? We simply use the formula and just calculate the area, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Coming to the second part of this, they are asking that 1 liter, they are asking 1 liter of a paint covers 20 meter square area. Work out the volume of a paint needed to cover the wall. So basically, suppose there is wall, okay.
Are you able to understand? Sir, in between, are you providing him some questions?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is he able to solve?
Okay, so basically, ma'am, he's understanding the whole concept, but the calculation part it will take a lot of time. So I just told him to work on the calculation part later because, like,
Yeah, because if he's saying yes, 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 but don't trust. Like he's a small child, na.
okay, okay,
So yeah, so you have to ask questions, okay?
yes, yes, sure, ma'am, sure. So
And
basically,
all just let me know if he's never like he's on any particular topic. If he's stuck it completely, then let me know.
okay, okay, don't worry, ma'am. So whenever he got the like dot, he just ask. So
Yes, sir. And
Yes.
I think this is a comfortable time. I think early morning, like school running, will be there, and it will be very messy.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So this is like a good timing. Like,
Okay, if any changes, like if any requirement, we'll mutually discuss, sir. As of now, we will keep like 10 to 11 only. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay. So basically, so see what is the question. 1 liter of the paint. Okay, 1 liter of the paint is actually covering an area of 20 meter square. Now see, to understand this problem, we should understand one of the thing, and this is like a very conceptual part. 1 liter. Can you tell 1 liter if we have to find out in centimeter cube? So can you just fill this figure? 1 liter is equal to how many centimeter cube? Can you just tell this? This is actually a fact.
Okay.
Okay. So 1 liter equals to dash centimeter cube.
Yes.
1 liter equals to dash centimeter cube. Okay. So 20 meters equals to 2000 meters. So
Okay.
1 liter,
Okay. Okay.
2000, is it 2000?
Okay, okay, basically. So, okay, you are just trying to solve, but I'm just asking, not related to this question only. I'm just like simple fact. So it is like 1000, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is very important thing, and we have to just remember this because to solve this question, we just know this fact, and this fact will be used again and again in any problem, right?
Uh,
Okay, now see, this is like. Let me check which is question number. This is like question number 7. Okay. In the question number 7, now what they are saying. Okay. Now see. This is question number 7. Okay. Okay. Now see. They have already given that whatever the 1 liter is, that is actually covering 20 meters square, right? That is given in the question, right?
yes.
Now see, we have already calculated that we have to cover only like this is the area, so we have to cover only this portion, right?
Yes.
So basically, in this question, so basically we will use kind of fraction 50 out of 20. Are you getting this point?
Yes.
Great. So
But
this
why do we use? But why do we use 15 out of 20?
oh
Do we always have to use 15 out of 20? Or did you solve it?
okay. Now see this how this things will gonna work. Now see. So okay, see this actually. So basically, what is exactly happening now? Firstly, we have to understood that it is given 1 liter of the paint covers like this much area, right?
Yeah.
So suppose this is something area, and we are assuming this whole area is like 20 meters square, right? Now
Yeah.
see what is exactly happening. Suppose up to till this point, like the shaded region, this is like 15, right? Okay, so this is the area which we have to paint, right? And this area is like 15 meters square, right?
Yes.
Now see, like because now it is question arising why we are dividing with 20, because first of all they have given like 1 liter is actually covering like 20 meters square. Let me see this is question number. Okay, okay, so 15 divided by 20, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let me. So this is actually this is coming in the liters, right? No, see
Yes.
what is okay. So I hope you can understand, because we are discussing about 1 liter is covering this. So obviously the after fraction we will something like this is liter, so this is like a 0.75 liter after calculation, right?
Yes.
And we know that 1 liter, if we have to, because they have given in the question that we have to answer in the centimeter cube. So in place of liter, what we will do, what we will do, we will like one.
Multiply it by 1,000.
Well, that's a crazy thing. The answer will be centimeter cube, and then 75 divided by like 100, and then 1000, 20 cancel, and this is like 750 centimeter cube. So I hope you got this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's a very like very crazy question. So this is like, first of all we have to understood, we have to learn this fact. This fact is being very important, right? No,
Yeah.
no. See what will happen. Okay, so try to understand this. Try to do this question. So basically, what we will do in the next class, you will like solve those questions, right?
Yes.
So whatever the question I will give you, you have to solve them, and like they will be like crazy questions, right? So
Okay.
so and they will use these kind of concept. Okay, so basically, what is exact? This is actually one fact, right?
Yes.
So in the next class, we will try that I will come up with like 10 to 12 question, and calculation will not that much lengthy. So it will be like that in a 2 or 3 minutes you could do this question. So in the next class, we will try to come up with these kind of question, because there is so much application in this, right? So
Is there
okay,
any?
so
Tell me homework.
okay, so okay, I can also give that as you as a homework. So okay, in the homework, how many problems you can do like this question?
Only 5.
Only 5.
Yes.
Okay,
5 or 6.
because calculation will be very very easy. I just want to check whether you can apply. Are you able to apply the logic? Because logic will be like very twisted logic, right?
Yes.
So okay, so, great. I will give you 5 problems.
Sir, all so 5 on this question, this basis, and have you given any homework for to him on that average chapter, that median mode 1 chapter? Have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
given any?
No, ma'am. That is also not given. So basically, what we will do, one homework on average, and then one homework on this chapter. So basically, okay. So basically, what we will do collectively, I will provide like homework on both the assignments. Like each and every kind of question will be there. So
Okay.
you will be able.
Is there any homework pending or all done from his side,
Uh,
Namal's side?
all done, ma'am. I think all done. Yes.
All done, na?
Yeah, so basically, I will give you like two assignment. Homework, one is average and one this ongoing topic.
And give me the extension date, sir. I mean, not don't give him on a short notice, since he's very much busy throughout the day.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So, okay, so we are coming to end of this session, because I hope you can do such kind of questions, right?